Now that we have done our ad copy, it's time for us to create the images for ads. We will need images and the ad copies to create our ad campaign. That's the only thing that's stopping us from creating our campaign now. So I'm in Google and I'm searching for a tool called Canva. If you don't know what Canva is, it's a social media graphic design tool. So it's really built for non-professionals, so you don't have to use complicated applications like Photoshop, Illustrator, or anything like that. With Canva, you can create really good looking images for your ads. So I'll just go ahead and click on this, and it gives you a free account. You don't have to pay for it if you don't want to. But it has a paid plan as well, which comes with obviously more features, but you don't need paid account at this point. So I'll just go ahead and create a design, and you can sign up using your Google account as well. So I'll just type for ad, and I will go for feed ad square, and then I'll just go with any kind of, I'll just type for chiropractor or any kind of medical or any wellness. Just they're quite vague with keywords. So I'll just go with one of these designs. Let me see if there are any good ones that we can use. Maybe this one, who cares? So this is a quite good template to start with. Just edit your images, edit your colors. If you click on this, it'll let you change the colors, the text, the font, and you can also change the image. So if I go to uploads and I just replace it, you can also drag and drop your own images from your computer. Or if you want to use any stock free stock photos, you can just come to applications and search for pixels. So if you go to pixels, open it, and now you can just do chiropractor, and you can choose your own image. Again, change your color, change your fonts, change your text, and then add another page. So that's how you keep creating new images. I would suggest having 5 to 6 images, but you can have up to 10 images for your ad. So let me show you what I've done so far with one of the designs. So this is one of the examples that I'm showing you right now. I just created it an hour ago, but here is like, I think there are 9 images. Yeah, so I created 9 images. These are all stock images. If you don't want to use any of your patient's images, that's totally fine. You can use these stock images from unsplash.com or pixels.com, just like I saw in this video previously. But if you want to search for more free stock image platforms, you can just Google free stock photos, and then it'll give you websites like that from where you can download these images. But you can use these images, use your logo, and just add the headlines. These are the types of headlines that work really well. Spinal adjustments. This is a chiropractor example, but in your case, it's going to be your own clinic's own use case. And make sure the offer is visible in some of them, so Facebook has something to compare the others with, right? Because Facebook will go ahead and see which ones work really well. But I think I have mentioned the offer on most of them, but just try to give some variations and see which one works really well for you. So that's pretty much it. And when you're done creating all these images, you just need to go to share, download, and then just select all the pages from here, and obviously do PNG or JPEG, and then hit download. It will download all the images for you to use. Now you can finally go ahead and create the campaign, because you've got the ad copy, you've got the images you need as well. So I will see you in the next one, and let's start creating our campaign.